my ultimate cheesy chicken parm, okay? This is a red sauce joint staple, starting with the chicken, which we butterflied. We lightly pounded so it's even Steven throughout. Season, little salt, little pepper directly on the chicken. We're gonna run it through the feb, flour, egg, and the canister of breadcrumbs, Italian seasoned breadcrumbs.
I love that.
How long it's been there in the pantry? I don't know, Ma.
Since you were a kid.
As long as it doesn't smell like the pantry, it's still good.
No, it doesn't. That's why they have that nifty little top on there. Add a little bit of your famous Parmigiano Reggiano grated right into the breadcrumbs, please. I got some nice medium heat here, large skillet, olive oil. We're gonna fry these babies till golden brown. Now, let's get to the very special application of cheese. We're not just gonna bake this, right? You spend all this time frying this beautiful piece of meat or vegetable, and then you drown it in sauce, in cheese, and bake it.
No.
And then why did I fry it? Right, it's good flavor, it's a wonderful technique to prepare a protein, but at the end of the day, you're just kind of decimating the texture of that exterior fry on there, that crispiness. Sauce here that you can ladle right from there, or just do a nice fresh sauce. Next, some freshly grated, low moisture, whole milk mozzarella.
Okay.
It melts the best, it's got the best chew. And we're gonna take about a half a cup of this directly onto this, starting in the middle, right? Alex, our oil looks perfect right now, ready to accept the cutlet. I am gonna get that oven ready to accept our cheese and sauce. Thank you, Jeffrey. We got it on broil, and the rack is about two levels down, okay? You don't want it too close, you don't want it too far. It's gotta be the Goldilocks zone of broilage, and that takes time and experience.
Do you watch broil? Because I am so afraid to walk away from broil.
Yep, I am not gonna walk too far, because this can take about 5 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever.
This is really a classic Italian-American dish, isn't it?
Wow.
This didn't come from nowhere, Jeff.
I'm happy with the cutlets.
Look at this, first of all. That's what we're looking for. That's all flavor right there. Cheese browns nicely, gives a lot of salt.
It doesn't take a lot of time. People, I think, overcook their chicken cutlet.
Agreed.
I'm sorry.
All right, I'm gonna start plating my chicken while those are still going. I got some keeping warm on a wire rack sheet tray at 200
Oh, yeah.
RTG. Look at these beauts.
Gorgeous.
I mean, right? Watch your hand there. I don't want to.
By the way, that's a secret that you can use. French toast, pancakes, bacon, anything you cook, rack, oven, 200 degrees. Here's the moment, people.
I can't wait to see this technique.
I know what's gonna happen.
Oh, boy. It's gonna be like a...
Dim the lights. Can we dim the lights?
Are we doing is this like a pizza volcano? Is that like a volcano?
Oh, look at this.
Wait, what? Oh, I'm gonna like this.
All right, here we go.
Do it, Jeff.
Are you ready?
Yes, Jeff.
This is it. This is it.
Oh, my
How's this for an angle? We good on that?
Yeah, watermelon
3,
cut it.
2, 1.
Stop it right
Yes! Perfect!
Stop it right
Oh, making Parm, making Parm.
my
Chicky
God.
Chicky Parm, Chicky Parm. Here we go. You ready for number 2?
I just want to get it, Jeff.
Do it again, Jeff.
Look at this. I might
I mean, forget a tableside Caesar. We need a tableside chicken
Oh,
parm.
man.
Pass it on down.
Right to the table.
Come on,
right to your
Phils.
family. Preserved.
Preserved
crust.
crunchiness.
That gives it some real restaurant vibes at home. That's
Yes,
the thing.
yes.
You know, that's that restaurant level trick that you just do at home so
Can I
easy.
tell you what I
Can I
especially
have
like?
this for the
You
sauce?
didn't,
Please.
Put
you
it in
didn't
the
adorn
sauce.
this
Look
with
at
basil
this.
or anything like
Oh,
that, because
no.
it doesn't need it.
Oh, no. You don't need no garnish. The garnish is a cheese garnish,
That's
GZ.
it. You saw it. It's table side. It's table. You could do
You
this.
could totally do this table side in the
amazing.
middle of your table.
Yeah, you're gonna do it table side at your next
Absolutely.
restaurant?
I
And
love
I'm gonna give
this.
Philly and you credit.
Jeff, this is the perfect chicken parm because, like you said, it stays crunchy. There's no soggy crust from it sitting in the sauce. And it's so cheesy, you have to really chew because you get a lot of cheese in there.
It's like mozzarella gum.
I love this.
That baked.
Love it. It is fabulous.